Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Saturday, June 10th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to shoot a 2-month update video for everyone. I joined gotbackup 2 months ago today. You can see this is the welcome email that I received back on Monday, April 10th of 2023 at 6:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is my back office here. Okay, you can see my name up here. And you will see that commissions earned so far have been $976.70. I've had 297 hits to my tour page. 160 of them have been unique hits, meaning individual, different people. I've generated 60 sales. So I'm averaging a sale every 5 clicks. And I've been paid $586.05 so far. You can see up here that I am a silver member. As soon as I hit the $1,000, I will rank up to gold, okay? This potential right here is the amount that I've earned in commissions. I did have a couple people sign up and then they quit right away. So you're always going to have some of those people. They're curious what it is and they don't want to do the work and they quit right away and get the refunds. So that's why this number is different from my actual commissions earned, okay? But you can see here in April, I had 104 hits to my tour page. I'm promoting the tour page. 69 of them were unique. I had 20 sales totaling $377.57 in commissions. Last month, I had 152 hits to my tour page. 78 of those were unique. I had 28 sales, generating me $466.54. This month so far, I've had 41 hits. Right, we're a third of the way through the month. So 41 hits so far, 13 unique hits, 12 sales for $132.59. And if this continues on this trajectory, this month is going to be my biggest month so far. Okay? And then it just breaks it down for you down here. So the company pays out, you wait 30 days initially when someone signs up. That's to allow for our 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. After that, you get paid every Friday, and the more people that you bring in, the more commissions you're going to make, and over time you're going to get a paycheck every single week. Okay, now you can see here I've been paid every single week from this company after my first month. And again, I'm not showing this to you to brag or anything like that. I am not even close to being the top earner in this company. We have people making over $10,000 a month already with this. I'm just showing you this because people are asking me all the time if it's a scam, if you really get paid, if I get paid, how much I'm getting paid. And this is it. I'm not doing any paid traffic. We do have a traffic co-op in here that I did sign up for, but that doesn't start until this coming Monday. So all of these leads that I've gotten so far and the sales that I've made have been from free traffic sources like Facebook and YouTube. Those are my 2 biggest traffic sources that I use. I also use some safe list mailers that I've been using for a long time. And when you join me, you will get my resource page that has all of the places that I use. Okay? But basically, if you can copy and paste and post in Facebook groups, if you know how to do that, then you can make this work. And again, there's an earnings disclaimer down in the video description. I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with this. It all depends on your work ethic and if you treat this like the real business it is. All right. But I can guarantee you that if you do that, the sky's the limit with this company. This is a digital product that everyone with a cell phone needs. All right. And there's over 7 billion cell phones in the world right now. And almost 7 billion of them are smartphones. So if you know anybody that has a smartphone, you can share this with them. All right. And it's not any type of physical product or anything like that. It's a digital product. When somebody signs up, they get to use it right away. And again, it's something that everyone with a cell phone needs. Okay? So you can see here that back on May 5th, that was my first paycheck from this company. I earned $27.24. On the 12th, which was a week after, $148.26. The 19th, I earned $123.42. May 26th, I was paid $78.65. Last week, on the 2nd, I was paid $73.06. All right, and then my binary was $77.03. And on the 9th, yesterday, I was paid $58.38. All right, so if I go back here, you can see so far I've been paid $586.05, and as of me filming this video, that leaves me with $390.65 that will be paid to me over time. All right, so I'm super happy with the results of this so far. I'm going to be focusing on growing this Got Backup business. Again, with 7 billion cell phones in the world right now, and everybody that has one can use this service, it's a no-brainer to promote this. There's zero competition. Okay, there's nobody in the network marketing industry doing what we're doing here, and it's never going to become saturated. All right, so I love everything about this company. I'm super happy with my results here. If you want to learn more about this, click on the link down below. You'll be taken over to my tour page where there's a 6-minute video that explains everything. You can reserve your position in our power line by entering your name and a valid email address and clicking the Reserve My Position button. And the compensation plan is awesome. I'm going to show you that really quick. All right, now your first month you get paid 200% commissions. Okay, after that you get paid 25% commissions each month for your direct referrals. You're also going to earn a 25% check matching commission whenever one of your referrals brings in somebody. Okay? Then you can earn up to 25% in binary commissions. So it's a super powerful compensation plan. They pay out 75% of whatever the company brings in. And again, it's just, there's no better company, in my opinion, out there right now. Okay? So, if you have any questions about any of this, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. And again, you know, I'm showing you my back office and the numbers that I'm doing just to let everyone know that this is a very legit company. They've been around for a long time. The parent company's been around for over 25 years. And everything about this is top notch in my book. Okay? So that's the reason I'm showing you that I'm making money with this. And if you can copy and paste and you know how to use Facebook or YouTube or the safe list that I show you on my resource page, if you take this serious and stay consistent and share your link, your tour page with people every single day, there's no way you can't make money with this. All right? So, anyway, again, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to seeing you in my next one. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.